In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download template in Notion. If you are new to Notion or just looking to speed up your workflow, templates are a fantastic way to get started quickly. They come pre-built with pages, databases, and layouts that you can customize to fit your needs. Whether you are managing projects, taking notes, or planning your week, first, open your Notion app and look at the left-hand sidebar. Click on Templates to open the gallery. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge or expand it so you can see the Templates option clearly. This gallery is your starting point and contains a wide range of ready-made setups created by Notion and the community. Once the gallery is open, take a moment to browse or use the search bar to find exactly what you need. You can scan categories like project management, personal productivity, or design, or type keywords into the search box to narrow things down. When you click on a template card, you'll see a preview page with details about what's included. Skim through the description, scroll the preview to check the layout, and make sure the structure suits your workflow. It's worth spending a minute here to confirm that the template aligns with how you like to organize information, so you won't need to rebuild it later. When you are ready, click Get Template or Start with this template, depending on which button you see. Both options do the same thing. They copy the template setup into your Notion so you can start using it right away. If you are comparing a few options, don't worry. Adding a template doesn't overwrite anything, it simply creates a new page you can rename and adjust later. Next, select the workspace where you want to add it. If you have more than one workspace, choose the one that makes the most sense for this template, personal for private pages, or a shared workspace if your team needs access. Confirm your choice and Notion will place the template into that workspace, usually in your sidebar under the Pages section. After it's added, open the new page and begin customizing. Replace placeholder text, adjust properties in any databases, and remove sections you don't need. Templates are meant to be a starting point, so feel free to tailor them to match your exact process while keeping the core structure that made the template useful in the first place. That's it, simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching.